Hi guys, this is WordPress Holder, and today I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a WordPress plugin for me. Also, I'm going to distribute it with official WordPress.org website. So let's see how it's going. Let's start. By the way, don't forget to subscribe. Right now, just go and subscribe. Click like, comment, subscribe. Easy. So I went to the ChatGPT website and asked ChatGPT to create a WordPress plugin for me, which will do search and replace function in the database. So that the plugin should have the two fields in the WordPress dashboard, where user can write in first field the first word, and other field will be the word which will be used to replace. Okay, also there should be a button, and so the user can submit their request. So here is my request. So ChatGPT said he can't do anything because he AI and he can create anything new, but we know the truth, it's not true. He can do everything. So basically, he created the code with instruction what to do. I did exactly what he asked and created a plugin, created archive, and uploaded archive into the WordPress dashboard, installed a plugin installed without no errors, but it didn't work, and right. The code didn't work, and I went to the ChatGPT and just wrote this code doesn't work. So he created another version of the code. I uploaded the second version of his code and another try. The code didn't work and I needed to ask ChatGPT for help. My coding skills isn't enough for it, actually it's enough, but I don't want to spend time. And this video is about ChatGPT. ChatGPT has brain. Why I should have brain? Or should I? Yeah. Okay, so I asked him for messages, for 2 messages. If form submitted successfully, he should show the success message. If form failed, he should show fail message. He wrote the code and I updated the code into the plugin, and here what we have. The code didn't work, and I wrote him that I don't see any errors because I expected to see error, and he wrote me back that he is happy that I don't see any errors, like all good, no errors. So I wrote him back that I don't see any messages, and he debugged his own code. the issue was pretty simple. He didn't call the functions he created, and so I adjusted the code according to his requests. Oh my god, ChatGPT requested me something. Okay, so I did this with his requests, and you're right, all worked. You will see in the end of the video. There was additional issue which I found for myself, that the form looks a bit creepy, outdated, it's with default styles, and it couldn't be like this. So I asked ChatGPT to create the beautiful looking form, to create the styles for our form. So he created new version of form with classes and created the style file for me, which I uploaded. So let's see how it's going. And here is our final result. So ChatGPT created a search and replace plugin for me. Really cool. I just went to the WordPress.org website and uploaded it to the official WordPress plugins. Cool. They are going to review my plugin, to review the code, and we will see what happens in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe and click like.